Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Sierra Leone. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are nowadays shifting towards e-visa because they're very easy to apply and it provides a lot of convenience to everyone. So let's go through this, guys. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the government of Sierra Leone e-visa system. So how it works is you apply, you pay, and when you arrive over there, you can get the visa. Okay. Now all the conditions, and it's not applicable to all nationalities because some nationalities can go visa free too. So the start day is you're gonna be here. It's gonna be selecting your nationality. So just example, let's say you're a Canadian national. And it also displays the cost. Non-African Union single entry 80, multiple entry 160. If you are Indian, whatever your nationality is, all same. Okay. You can select which one you want and click on apply. Now it is asking you to put your email and last name so that they can send you a code via email. Okay, so I'm going to go through this step and of course you're going to check this, verify. In the email, you get the code. On the same page at the bottom, you had the option to put that code. So once you put, you come here, your terms condition agree. Now you're going to put your details. Okay. So we'll walk through it, just sample. You need to do as per your case, all the details you see here is sample. Date of birth. Okay. Document issued country. These things you should always do verification and do twice verification. Don't just do once, do it verify 2 times. Tourism, host name, hosted. If you have a hotel, then you can put hotel also. Like just I'll say hotel sun. Okay. Address. Provide proper address. Expected arrival date. They have given the format. Make sure you meet that. Okay. Once you do that, you have the option of saving. Okay. Now you can click on either resume, then it will go back here if you want to make any changes, or you can come back, click, select this one and go for checkout. So now it's asking for the payment. It's given here, and then it may ask you to upload documents and other things. And that's how simple it is, guys. And if granted, you can definitely go there. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.